Hello everyone, today I'm going to speak to you about skin tags. Skin tags are common problems in individuals. Half the adult population at least have one skin tag throughout their lifetime. So what are skin tags? Skin tags are extensions of extra skin growing from a stem. They may grow 1 to 5 mm or even larger to centimeter sizes. So are skin tags harmful to the body? No, skin tags are not harmful. However, they may be unsightly in areas which are exposed, especially over the face and neck. So how do these skin tags form? Skin tags form in areas of skin folds with natural movement. They're most commonly found at areas of the eyelids, neck, underarms, breasts and genitals. Some tips to avoid future skin tag formation would be having a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and also avoiding jewelry and clothing which rub against your skin. If you are having skin tag problems, do contact us to get further information. Always remember, GLOJAS brings out the best in you.